Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video, let's try fixing WhatsApp video call camera bugs on this device. So the first fix, let's open settings on your device and let's find section apps. Now go to permission manager, from here go to camera, and now from the list of applications you want to find WhatsApp, and you want to allow camera access. You can set allow only while using the application, or you can set ask every time. But in this case, if you select ask every time, you'll have to give permission to WhatsApp to use your camera. Okay, what else you can try? You can clear WhatsApp cache. Let's go back to homepage of settings. Now let's open apps. Let's go to manage apps, and from the list you want to find WhatsApp, of course. Let's go to storage, and you want to select option clear cache. Let's clear it. And last but not least is you can try disabling face beauty filters for video calls. So to do that, let's go to homepage of settings and let's find accessibility features. Now let's go to call enhancement section. As well, it can sometimes be called as video call effects. And please let's go to beauty filter for video calls, and please turn this off. And if this on, your phone will try to run AI skin enhancement filters, which can overwhelm the application. So please keep this turned off. So that were the main fixes if you have problem with video calls in your WhatsApp. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.